Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of my first time watercoloring.
Okay, let's try it out. So I saw this technique where it's like use markers to pull up the color. We'll see if it actually works. I don't know, does it just grab it? Oh. That's nice. Oh, I like that better. Oh, this technique is way better. With the Tombow pens. I like this. It's just like smoother lines. Let's see. Well, that's gorgeous. We'll do Kelly Creates and we'll see if it has the same exact effect. Take a look how beautiful the lines are. It's like stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna try a word, blending everything together. Okay, so I'm using Kelly Creates Blossom, Tombow 606, which is the purple, and then Tombow 725, which is this pink. So let's go ahead and get those. So it looks like no water is going to be needed when you just grab directly from the palette for like the Tombow colors.
Okay, so at this point I'm about to spell watercolor wrong. Don't mind that. I saw it later but didn't feel like correcting it, so don't mind that I spelled it with an E and an R versus O and R. But here is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And hopefully I'll get to do some more watercolor brush lettering in the future. If you guys liked the video, please feel free to thumbs up and subscribe. Also find me on Instagram at Patricia Prince and check out the next video. Thank you.